The name of this finish is Shosugi Ban, although that name is only usually used in what's traditionally known as the Western countries. Originally in Japan, it is known as yakisugi, and that's usually when you burn it until it gets nice and scaly, followed by a wire brushing. Let me know what you think of my sword skills down below in the comments. You saw nothing. Did you know that when earthquakes happen near quartz veins, the quartz contracts, so squishes, which creates an electrical current that sends throughout the water and attracts gold particles to create deposits on its surface, and that's how quartz veins grows gold over time. Sorry that the testing is out of sync with which sword was burned in this particular video. I realized that I had them all kind of in the exact wrong order, like as wrong as it possibly could be, far too late into the editing phase. So that'll be fixed for the next video, but this one, just, enjoy seeing the last one tested first, and the first one tested second, and the second one tested third.